Look at that.
We gotta wake them up. Tell the bears to wake up, Quinn.
Bears, wake up! Bears, wake up!
Look, he's turning, looking at it.
I think you're waking up the bears, Quinn.
Yeah.
They're being lazy. You gotta say, bears, quit being lazy. Wake up.
What? Keep being lazy! Wake up!
Oh, lazy bears. Wake up!
Wake up!
Wake up!
Wake up now!
Okay, honey. That's a new enclosure. I don't know what that is.
The bears are waking up.
Yes, they are.
Not really.
You gotta keep yelling.
Wake up!
Let's go walking around.
Here.
We'll come back.
We'll come back. They're still sleepy, but that was pretty funny.
Yeah, it was really sleepy.
Let's go see that deer.